The next one, in countries like US and Canada, the temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. So, F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. This is the equation for converting degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So, using this equation, you have to draw the graph of the linear equation, taking Celsius on the x-axis and Fahrenheit on the y-axis. Then, if the temperature is 30 degrees C, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So, you have to do these conversions in the next parts. If the temperature is 95 degree F, then what is the temperature in Celsius? If the temperature is 0 degree, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then what is it in Celsius? And so on. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. So, all these parts you are basically converting. If one value of the variable is given to you, you are finding the other variable. So, if you can do these parts, then you can use these coordinates only to draw the graph also. Because for finding the graph, you have to first find the coordinates. So first here I have solved the equation by finding any two coordinates, that is when C is 0, what is the value of F? So F will be 32. When C is minus 10, that time F will be 14. So these are the two set of coordinates. You can plot these coordinates on the graph. Now for plotting this graph, you can use other coordinates also, which you can find by solving the other parts that are given to you. Because all these also will be giving you the set of coordinates only. So when C is 30, that time the value of F will be 86. When you solve this, when F is 95, then C will be 35 degree. So all these coordinates like 30, 86 and 35, 95, all these also are points of the same equation only. So these points also can be used. Then fourth part is when C is 0, then what is F? And when F is 0, then what is C? So when F is 0, you are getting C as 17.777. Now you can round off this number to 17.8 so that you can plot it on the graph. So 17.8 is after rounding it off. So using these points, so this one, and when C is 0, that time F is 32. So using this graph can be drawn easily, and other points also will be lying on the same line. Now for the last part, is there any value where F and C are same? So you will equate F to C. Okay, we have to find that value where F is equal to C. So this one you will, when you equate and when you substitute in the equation, you will get it in this way. C is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So then this C can be transposed here, and when you simplify and you calculate it, you will get the value of C as minus 40. So minus 40 is that value where the temperature will be numerically equal. Now here, when an equation is given to you which is having only single variable, it can be represented in two ways. It can be represented as a one variable also, it can be represented as a two variable also. Okay, so how it can be represented as two variable, that we'll discuss. First, one variable part we'll see. Y is equal to 3. In one variable form, it will be just a number line. Okay, just the axis will be drawn, just like you draw the number line, and this will be the point y equal to 3. That is, this is 0, and after 3 units from 0, that will be y equal to 3. So this is the representation in single variable form. That is the same way as you did number line. Now if we have to write it in two variable form, we can write it that way also. 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. So I have written coefficient of x as 0. So 0 into x is 0 only, but just to write it in two variable form, I have written it this way. 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. So you get it in two variable form. Now when you have to plot the graph of this, you can substitute values of x and find corresponding values of y. Now what will happen if you put any value of x here? When x is 0, then also y is 3. When x is 1, then also y is 3. If you put x equal to 100 also, y will come as 3. So any value of x you put, the corresponding value of y that you get, that will be a constant value 3. Because x will be multiplied ultimately with 0. So that will become 0. So what will happen is you will get a line like this. This is 0, 3. This is 1, 3. Now if you put x equal to 3 also or 2 also, you will get again y 3. So for all values of x, this y is coming as 3. So this line will be going parallel to the x-axis. At the point 3, if you draw a straight line parallel to the x-axis, that will be the equation y is equal to 3. That is how you represent it in two variable form. Now 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here we have only one variable, that is x. Y variable is not there. So how you will express it in single variable form? You will write it as 2x is equal to minus 9. Just first we are solving and finding the value of x. Because here only one variable is there, you can solve and find one value of x. So x is coming as minus 9 by 2. Which if you will express it in decimal form, it will be minus 4.5. Okay, so this minus 4.5 will be somewhere over here between minus 4 and minus 5. Exactly in the middle of minus 4 and minus 5. This will be the point. So this is like a number line in single variable form. You will just draw a normal number line 0 and then numbers to the right of 0 will be positive. Numbers to the left of 0 will be negative. So this is a negative value. So minus 4.5. Now if you want to represent it in two variable form, it will be written like this. 2x plus 0 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. So you will just put 0 as the coefficient of y and write it in two variable form. So again when you put any value of y, the value of x will be coming constant only as minus 4.5. So when y is 0, then also x is minus 4.5. When y is 1, then also x is minus 4.5. And any value of y you put, it will come as minus 4.5. So using that, when you plot the graph, it will come this way, a line that goes parallel to the y-axis. So if x is given as constant, then the equation line will go parallel to the y-axis. So this is the equation of the line. 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the representation of that.